Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I want to show to you guys how to you replace your radio in your car. You want to have something where you can watch TV, watch a movie when you're driving. There's one screw here, look. One screw here. You're going to lose to your left, alright? The reason I replace the radio here because the CD no work. I'm gonna replace it with DVD player, MP3, and you can attach everything. Alright, you take it out this two screw here. You just pull it out this cover here. Look, cover it, pull it up easy. You just connect your light and your cigarette. You see, it's still here. You just push it down, and easy come out. And then you see, it's two screws here on each side. Alright, two screws to your right and two screws to your left. Alright guys, when you loosen the two screws on each side, to your left and to your right, you just pull the radio, alright? Alright, you disconnect your antenna. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna need a flat screwdriver. You see this little tail here? You little pressure with your screwdriver, look. You put it down and you pull it with the other hand, alright? Same story here, look. And you have to take out your radio. Don't play too much until you're sure you have exactly the new one the same, alright? In this case, this is the new one. Alright? Look, the new one is not coming with the chassis here. Look, you have to take out this chassis here and attach to the new one. Alright? The chassis is going to tell you everything, if you're really going to fit there or not. Because this frame you cannot bend, you just got to go exactly. And back to the new radio, right? You pull it out this part here. Now you're going to remove it from here and put it back to the new one.